Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. In today's video we're going to be discussing how you can index, or I should say bulk index, your website. And what I mean by bulk indexing, if you have a website with, let's say for example 2000 pages and you are not using the Google search API, or I should say the Google indexing API to be more on the right side of things, you are missing out, because with one click you can index up to 200 links daily, and I mean 200 articles daily. You have the right to do so with this API. So in this video we're going to be walking you through all the process and the procedure in order to actually get that cracking. So before we jump into this video, a like would be truly nice, and also a subscribe would actually help us immensely, in order to actually get that exposure, since we are just starting on this YouTube journey. But yeah, for example, this auto blog website that we had created, and I've showed you how to create this, how to set this auto blog or auto website. It does automatically generate articles from RSS feeds, and I've shown you the whole step-by-step guide or tutorial in the last video. So if you want to create any website in any niche and you don't want to actually be posting articles, okay, you can just follow along with the previous video that I've showed you in our channel. You can set up this whole thing automatically, but I need to actually rank up for some of these articles and keywords, so I need to actually index this website. And like I said, this has more than 300 pages, so I cannot use the regular Google Search Console to index 10 pages on a daily basis. I need more than that. So first thing first, go up to Google and just look up Google Cloud, and just like that click on Google Cloud Console. After that, just go up to the project section from here and click on new project, and name the project that you want to create. For example, let's just name it with the same name of our website. Then click create. From here, if you have like one project, you will just be automatically forward to that one project, but for me I have multiple projects, so I have to actually select this project. Once you do that, scroll all the way down to IAM and admin. Then from here, go up to service account or service accounts, then click on create service account, and here just write anything or write the name of your website again. Then click on create and continue, and here select the owner role, then click continue, and for the last step click done. And once you do that, you have created your service account. Then what you need to do is just search Google Indexing API in the search bar right here. It's called the Web Search Indexing API. Click enable, and also enable the Google Search Console API as well. Click enable, and once you enable these two APIs, click on credentials, and right here we have the service account, and we need to actually add this account, newly created account, to our Google Search Console account. So head to your Google Search Console, okay, then select the property or the website that you trying or you created the service account for, okay. Then select settings, and right here go and select user and permissions, then click on add user, okay, and right here you need to add the account that you created in the Google Cloud Console. So copy the email, okay, and paste it in here and give it the owner permissions and click add. Once you do that, it shows up in here, okay. You will have the owner and the account showing up in here. Then we need to actually head back to Google Cloud and click this pen tool, okay. Then click keys, all right. Then click add a new key, create a new key, and select the JSON format and click create. Once you create your private key, it will just be downloaded by default, okay. And then click close, and yeah, you just finished off with the first step. Then what you need to do is just look up GSC tool, Google Search Console tool, and add this extension to your browser. It does support like multiple browsers, so it does not matter which browser that you are using, whether that be Chrome, Edge, Opera, it does not matter. Just add it to your browser. Click add, and click add to Chrome. Click once again add, and just like that you have added this extension. Let's just click on the extension once more, and let's just start with the whole account setup. Click on indexing, and it will bring up the Google API settings. Click upload a file and select the JSON file that you have downloaded. Just like that, click on test and save connection, and if everything works, it should give you that whole celebration effect. So once you do and finish setting up your account, select bulk URL instant indexing, okay. So just for the record, before we start submitting these URLs, you have 200 URLs limit or cap on the Google Cloud Console. You cannot submit more than 200 URLs daily, and in this tool you can submit only 10 URLs each time. If you want to remove the cap and submit like 200 URLs at once, you can upgrade and buy whatever plan they are offering. Okay, but in here we're gonna be submitting these URL each time. We're gonna submit like 10 URLs over and over again until we reach that 200 cap. So what you need to do is just head back to your website and just extrapolate or extract all the links that you want to submit to Google Search Console. You can do that via your sitemap. You just go to your sitemap and grab all the links, or you can use a tool just like the extract links from a website. There's like an extension from that, and it will just extract all the links from your website. So essentially what you need to do is just extract all the links, like I said, click copy these links and just fill like an Excel sheet with these links. So in order to actually index all of these links, I'm gonna just start by selecting 10 links, click Control C on my keyboard and head back to the Google or GSC tool and just paste the links right here and click index URLs now. And as you can see, it says it started indexing, and yeah, you just start indexing or submitting our URLs Google Search Console. Essentially gonna repeat all of this process once again until you reach your 200 URLs cap on a daily basis. So if you want to actually check that we have pinged these actual links or no, we'll just head back to our Google Cloud Console. Okay, and just select dashboard, and as you can see in the API section, we are actually sending these requests to the Google bot to initiate the whole indexing process. And if you go further and just click on the details, you can see how much link that you submitted so far. We have submitted 31 links, and yeah, just give it a couple days and the Google crawlers will crawl your posts, websites, whatever the case might be, and they will be indexed. So on that note, we'll just be wrapping up this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider dropping a like and commenting down below. That will help us immensely, helping the reach and the boost of this channel. And as always, take care of yourselves guys, and see you in the next video.